So the holes have been drilled in the frame for the subwoofer. All that needs to be done is now clean up the tops and bottoms. Now I plan to drill into the subwoofer so I can make the mounting onto the bracket, and that will be mounted on the arcade cabinet. Start off with, I'm using an 8mm. Just doing a couple of initial basic holes. There is a bit of wobble, but it's not too bad, so I should be able to hopefully get away with not being able to make adjustments. Hopefully I'll make sure this is done without having to redo holes. Hopefully I won't mess up. Okay. Now I want to find out roughly what size these are. So now the 4 screws are in, screw mounts are in. Now that I've tighten the screws up, it is pretty much stable. That ain't gonna go anywhere.